Hello friends, good morning and welcome to today's vlog. Yeah, welcome to today's vlog. So it's not that early guys, ano na. It's almost 9 na. We woke up, hindi nyo na ako makita. We woke up mga 8 and then nag-chill. And then I took a shower. Bakit ganyan yung sleeper ko din? And then I took a shower. And then, ayun, tapos na, it's almost 9 na. And then, I'm just going to quickly get ready because aalis kami ni Rocky. Nahanap ko yung ano ko. Yung ito pala. Yung ano tawag nito? Tripod sa aking phone. Kasi aalis kami ni Rocky. It's so dark. Let's open this like this. Yan. Yan. Alis kami. Pupunta kami ng clinic. Half day lang yung clinic. So, I better get ready quickly. So, ayan. Ano ba? Malamig na naman. Today is like daytime high is 22 degrees. Malamig na naman. So, I'm gonna be wearing long sleeve again. Ayan. So, ano pa ba? Naliligo na si Rocky. So, magmamadali na ako guys. Kasi baka pagkatapos niya, aalis na kami. Okay? See you later. Oh, it is already 10. I'm finally done. Ang tagal ko natapos. Oh my God. Galit na si Rocky. So, aalis na kami guys and see you later. Breakfast, ham and cheese tortilla with my coffee. For today is from Wanda. Wow, ang cute ng ano, ng lalagyan ng kape. Okay, so just went inside. Hard off. Hard off kasi may binili kami, may hinahanap kami ni Rocky. Ano pala yung hard off? Recycle shop. Ayan. And then I got me kasi naiwan ko sa Pilipinas yung micro USB tapos USB para sa aking camera. So I got this and yeah. Bye. So obviously, bawal ng restaurant, bawal din kumain sa loob ng convenient. Dito kami sa car. Ang sarap tingnan ng udong. Udong. Yeah, no, fit no? Lami no? Mini stop. Then may potato and may chicken ako. Yeah! Diba? Mabilisan kain. Tapos,
Uy, otya.
hello. So, nandito na kami sa bahay. Yeah, finally, ano na? I think alas 6 na guys. Umalis kami 10 o'clock. Tapos ngayon lang kami nakauwi, no? Grabe. I was planning to do a video pero hindi nangyari kasi nga alas 6 na. And then, hindi pa rin namin nakita yung hinahanap namin. So, ano ba to? Excuse me. Doon sa, ano ba yan? Electronic shop? Sa Queso Denki, basta electronic shop. Basta. Yun, and then, oh my God, I need to tell you something, TMI. Sorry if TMI. Nagka-diarrhea pa ako. Buti na lang dito, maganda yung CR nila, yung comfort room nila. Pag sa Pilipinas, for sure, hindi na ako aalis or uwi na ako kaagad kasi ang hirap maghanap ng magandang toilet unless if you go to like a comfort lounge yun, pero pag regular toilet lang sa atin or comfort room, oh my God, minsan hindi pa nagpa-flush, walang tissue, and then mahaba yung pila, ganyan but dito naman thankfully maganda naman yung toilet nila, pero ilang beses ba ako nag-CR, parang saan ba yung una? Doon, and then sa mga 5 beses. Iba-ibang store. Oh my God, yun. Thankfully, nakauwi na kami. And, my God. Ang bilis ng oras. Tapos na yung Saturday. And I feel like wala akong nagawa. And then, I forgot to drain my laundry. Kasi binabad ko sa fabric conditioner yung aking, wow, ang hirap, naka-flex yung ating tummy. Binabad ko sa lie down. Binabad ko sa fabric conditioner nga yung aking uniform, tapos nakalimutan kong i-drain at isampay. Tapos ngayon pa lang siya isasampay. So, hindi ko siya maa-iron. Ang planning pa naman na i-iron ko na ngayon, tapos para wala na akong gagawin bukas, but it did not happen. So, hopefully, matuyo siya early in the morning para maplansya ko na siya early tomorrow morning. Ayan. So, I just wanna feel relaxed. I feel so weak kasi yun nga, 5 times ako nag-CR. Grabe. I don't know what happened. Basta, after I had the tea, yung uy-utsa na tea, yun, parang gumanyan na yung tiyan ko. And then, after nun, sunod-sunod na. Yeah. So, I don't know if I will still see you guys, but hopefully. I don't know yet, but let's see. So, guys, nasampay ko na ang aking uniform. I think there's nothing else to vlog. Punta tayo dito. Ang dilim. You cannot see me. Yeah, I think there's nothing else to vlog anymore. Oh my God, hindi ko pa rin dito natapos. Hindi ko pa rin yan nagawa. Oh my God. OMG. And I bought something from Valor pala. Pang ko. I need to make a haul on this one. Hindi ko pa rin nagawa. Bukas gonna ask Rocky, no, to film that kasi naghanap din ako ng yung parang ganito ba, yung leggings, jeggings doon sa Valor, tapos ang mahal pa. Yung last time kasi nung bumili ako, lang 600 yen lang yun, tapos wala na. Ngayon is like 970, medyo mahal. So I think maghahanap ako sa iba or I'll just wait Pero naghihingalo na ang aking leggings, guys. I don't know, it's so weird. Kasi it's so weird din dito, madilim. It's so weird kasi, oh my god, let's turn on here kasi I feel so weird na madilim siya. Ayan. So, I feel so weird. It feels so weird pala kasi before nag-winter, okay pa naman siya. And then, I kept it, tinago ko kasi hindi ko na siya masuot, diba? Kasi malamig na. And then, after ngayon, parang nag-stretch siya, nag-iba yung ano niya, yung material niya. I don't know, yung dalawang leggings ko. So, naghanap ako ng the same na leggings na ganyan. Pero wala pa, medyo mahal. So, yeah, I think maghahanap ako next bukas. Yeah, I don't know. But I think we've reached the end of the night here, guys. Yeah, I wanted to rest kasi parang naubos yung energy ko sa sa nangyari kanina. So, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. Stay safe, stay healthy, and also, yeah, keep safe. Be cautious wherever you go. Always wash your hands, use face masks, and then, yeah, be cautious always. So I hope you had a wonderful day and a great day as always again, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep it small, and I will see you on my next video.